Here we have a 2017 Jeep New Compass Latitude, 18,000 miles, one owner, clean Carfax. Really a completely redesigned vehicle for 2017, excuse me. Compasses have been on the market for some time, but they did an all-new look. They did keep the classic 7-slot Jeep grille. You got some high-intensity headlamps, as you can see, integrated high HD fog lights down there below as well, in the lower valiants. Here we have a 17-inch alloy 5-spoke wheel. We got some Kumho, probably about 3/4 tread Kumho tires. As you can see, a brand new resurfaced shiny rotor and a nice thick brake pad. It's one thing we really pride ourselves here at Thomas. We do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. You can find the results of that inspection signed off by the mechanic that performed it in the glove box of all of our vehicles. Now we're looking in through the passenger side. As you can see, there's a manual adjustment on that seat. We got leather bolsters with cloth inserts in the center, dark charcoal leather, as well as carpeting, a full console that runs in between. Now this will be more of the compact SUV segment, but as you can see in the 5-passenger seating of this model, you have very ample leg, hip, and shoulder room for both the front and the rear occupants. Now I just want to show you the rear wheel as well, just so you can see it is a matching Kumho tire, scuff-free 5-spoke alloy wheel, and also a nice shiny brand new resurfaced rotor and pad there as well. And we'll come around to the back. At the back you'll see it is of course 4-wheel drive. It is the Latitude. Also want to show you it does have a backup camera there below the Jeep emblem. Let's go ahead and pop the rear hatch so you can see how much cargo room. It's ample with the seats stowed up. If you need more, of course, it's a 40-60 on the fold down there. You have your child lock anchors on the back also. Down below this compartment is where you'll find your dummy spare jack tools, things of that nature. A couple little pockets on the side there to keep some items. Continue around to the other side, the driver's side here again, just focusing in on the wheel, showing you this scuff-free 3/4 tread tire there on that as well. And give you a shot from the driver's side of the rear. Interior is very clean, no rips, tears, stains, or odors. And we'll give you a shot from the driver's side here. Manual adjustment on that driver's seat also. And then I just want to kind of give you a quick tour, give you an idea what it's like to be behind the wheel. Your locks, your windows, and your mirrors are all located right here on the door panel. Jump into the car, show you the key. As you can see, it's a proximity, so a push button with your unlock and built-in integrated fob. Also want to show you the clean Carfax history. There you see it, one owner, no accidents. We keep that in the vehicles at all times also for our customers. So we're just going to press the button, put our foot on the brake, start it up. I'll show you the miles. There you see 18,931 miles, so just shy of 19 on this vehicle. Let's continue with the tour. Your fog lights and automatic headlamp controls are on the left. Your cluster and interior dimmer switches are to the right of that. You have a multi-function stem to the left, which is your high beams and turn signals. You have your intermittent front and rear wiper washers to the right. We got your in-vehicle control panel with confirmation button for your customizable dash in the center here on the left. Your Bluetooth or hands-free voice activation below that. And then your cruise control is to the right-hand side of the wheel. Now this is their basic radio, AM, FM, satellite. You also can plug in different media and MP3 files. You can pair your phone. They give you a compass since it's not equipped with nav. And there's a couple other settings that you can utilize as well. Your climate control is down below that. You do have the ability to change your terrain as well as lock this vehicle into 4-wheel drive, which is very nice. So that way you can either allow the computer to decide based off of wheel slippage, or you can actually automatically put it into 4-wheel drive if you feel more comfortable. Here's your USB and audio pre-out, as well as your 12-volt power supply. Now this is an automatic, and you do have your adaptable shift points so that you can actually manually pick any of the 9 gears in this transmission, which is really nice, especially in our area when you're going up or down the mountain. You want to save your brakes coming down, or maybe give yourself a little more torque going up. It's nice to be able to pick any of those 9 speeds. Behind that, we got your traction control. We got your electronic e-brake there. We got 2 large cup holders, and you have a little console here that you can keep some items. We have LED map lights up above. Now there is no roof on this model. So let's go ahead and I think this is a 4-cylinder, maybe a 2.4 engine, I believe. Let's go ahead and pop the hood and give you a look at that. And also it does have heated mirrors, as you can see there. Yeah, it is the 2.4. Now, Dodge Chrysler has been using this engine for quite some time, very reliable. As you can see, very quiet, no exhaust leaks, no fluid leaks. We don't have any corrosion on any electrical terminals. And it's what you'd expect out of a 2017 with low mileage, but as you can see, it's been very well maintained. Just go ahead and shut this off. We'll get into the next portion of the video. Now, in the next portion, I really do believe is what differentiates Thomas from a lot of dealerships. And not only are we completely upfront and give you our best price, we also are very upfront in the cosmetic conditions of our vehicles. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to do a quick walk around the vehicle. I'm going to point out any stone chips, dings, dents, flaws. If I think that there's been any paint work, all the body panels seem nice and straight. Like I say, it has a clean history, no signs of any prior paint. I don't notice any dents or dings or scratches on either the fender or that front door. Got just a little scrape scuff there on the rear door, if you can see that. No dent, just a little scrape. Quarter panel looks fine. Rear bumper looks fine. Hatch looks good as well. Couple little very minor scratches across here just from loading and unloading some cargo. Lower valiance looks good. We'll continue around to the quarter here on the passenger side. Looks good also. See any dings or scrapes on that. Rear and front doors look good. Really a like new car here. Very minor scratches here that we've already buffed out. Little tiny ones there on the hood, as you can see. They're already buffed, and under these lights will show us everything we need to know if there's anything at all that may stand out. A couple little chips across the front here, hard to avoid those. The nose down aerodynamics of these new vehicles. There are a couple little minor scratches I noticed here on the hood. I think you can maybe see that. Now these have already been buffed out. Only under these lights can you even see them. They're not even just in the clear coat, not even into the base, but just try to be as accurate as I can for you guys. Really a sharp car, really a like new alternative. Still has the balance of the full comprehensive as well as the powertrain warranty offered by Chrysler, or Jeep, excuse me. So if you're interested, there's a couple different ways to get a hold of us. You can look us up on the web at thomasata.com or give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.